cannot begin to understand the depth of your sorrow, Artanis. Such noble Templar, now made a monstrosity. Those left, trapped in a body controlled by Amon.
It is the most horrific of fates. But what pains me is the uncertainty of facing them. They are my brothers. Sisters. When we strike these abominations, will our brethren bear witness within? Will they be silent watchers? Or are they already lost to oblivion?
I can offer you little comfort or surety, my friend. But know what you do is the only course.
The Tal'Darim motherships have warped in to strengthen our fleet. I must admit, they are quite impressive.
We are the soul of strength.
Carrier has arrived.
Now that the Psi Matrix has fallen, Amon cannot warp the Golden Armada back to Aiur to defend himself. We must destroy his host body before it fully awakens. For the sake of our people, we cannot falter.
Your actions have not eluded my gaze, Artanis. Your plans are not hidden from me. And you are too late. Behold, the form of your god. The culmination of a cycle set into motion when the stars were born. As I was your beginning, so shall I be your end. Know the truth, Artanis. Your people, your beliefs, your color, everything. A lie. There is nothing left of you.
You are wrong. We are finally free to become something more, and you will not stop us! Brace yourself for the full might of the Firstborn! So this is Amon's host body. An abomination made from the flesh of our brethren and the Overmind's carcass.
Indeed, Hierarch. My sensors indicate his form is consuming void energies at an alarming rate. In this state, even our most powerful weaponry will have no effect upon Amon.
These shards, they generate void energy, drain life around them to feed his host body. They must be destroyed.
The land near them has been destabilized. It's almost as if he's terraforming the area, turning it into the void. Wait, the shards are opening rifts, summoning entities to defend them.
Then we are running out of time. Warriors, ready your blades. We fight for the future of Aiur.
The void shards must be destroyed if we hope to strike at Amon's host form. Fight well, Templar.
We await our charge. The void reflects my will, and I will your destruction.
Amon is continually opening rifts to protect the shards. We will need to attack before the defenders become overwhelming.
shall break us, or poison. Awaiting instructions. Engaging foe.
Artanis, I am detecting a large number of void entities inbound on our nexus point. Get ready to defend.
The Death Fleet descends. Upgrade complete. Betrayal is death. We stand once.
We have done it! Warriors, press forward!
I am the Ember of Eternity. Exterminate. Destruction awaits all traitors. Give me purpose. The Death Fleet descends.
Artanis, there are several locations surrounding Amon's farm that would serve as excellent forward outposts. Clear out the enemy, and our forces will provide you with additional support.
Ash and cinder. Your will be I am the Ember of Eternity.
We're tracking multiple flying entities heading for our nexus point.
Well done, Hierarch. My Nerazim are establishing a position now.
Seek and destroy. For fortitude.
Upgrade complete.
Speak your command. Only destruction awaits our foes. I am the Emperor of Eternity. Get our sons.
Upgrade complete.
Your time has come. Only destruction awaits our foes. Betrayal is death. Your will is hope. I am the Emperor of
Base
Eternity.
is under attack.
The dark blades meet the time has come.
The Nerazim join the fight.
Seek and destroy.
Establishing purifier fortifications now. We follow you, the war hierarch.
Understood.
Your purification is at hand. Upgrade complete.
The time for betrayal is death. Betrayal is death. Understood. Your foes shall burn. Not long now.
Upgrade complete.
Blood shards aligning. The Death Fleet descends. Seek and destroy. Extermination shall come. Ash and cinder. Your will imposed. Understood. Rekamberok. Speak your command. Destruction awaits all traitors. Blood shards alive. Free of your suffering.
Rift detected. Expect another onslaught of void entities soon.
The Death Fleet descends.
Hierarch, my Dark Templar are moving to strike against Amon.
Ash and cinder.
Purifiers, go forth and purify. Amon's downfall is at hand. Tal'Darim, your High Lord demands the Dark God's blood. Do not disappoint me.
All 3 forward positions have been secured, Artemis. Now, let us bring an end to Amon.
Blood shards aligning. I am betrayal. Its destruction awaits. Give me unmitigated chaos. The time has come. Betrayal is death. Give me purpose. Understood.
Upgrade complete.
The time has come. Seek and destroy.
Purifier forces, head out and support our Hierarch's warriors.
Move carefully, Hierarch. Destroying a Void Shard has increased the strength of the remaining four.
I can already sense Amon's protection weakening.
Warriors! Slaughter all who oppose my will!
Upgrade complete.
Speak your command.
Base is under attack.
Your foes shall burn. This universe will be redeemed.
Void entities detected, marking their location. They are heading towards our nexus point now.
Extermination shall come. The death not long now.
The blades of Shakuras descend upon the Dark God.
Kara's betrayal is dead.
Upgrade complete.
Understood. Give me purpose.
Ignite your blades! We take this fight to Amon himself!
Not long now. The Death Fleet descends. Rekanderok. Seek and destroy. Extermination shall come. Understood. Not long now.
The Void Shards are growing increasingly unstable. Engage them cautiously. We do not fully understand their power.
Well done, Templar. The third shard has fallen before us.
Death Give me purpose. Betrayal is death.
Upgrade complete.
The Death Fleet descends. Kara, Shizul. Understood.
Base is under attack.
Your team join the fight.
The Death Fleet descends. Blood shards aligning. Engaging foe.
The remaining shards are bleeding void energy. Approaching them will be extremely dangerous.
The Purifiers march for victory.
Victory nears, my brothers. Fight with all you have!
Destruction awaits. Understood. Kara, Zarak, Shizul. Not long now. The time I am...
Vengeance for the betrayed.
Blood shards aligning. Understood. Rekamberok. Not long now. None can defy my will.
Another wave of void entities is on approach, Hierarch.
Blood shards aligning.
Hierarch, my Dark Templar are moving to strike against Amon.
Your will
Upgrade
imposed.
complete.
I am the Ember of Eternity. Ash and sin.
This is it, brothers. All of our hopes rest upon this moment.
Amon's form has awakened.
All vessels, ready your weapons, now!
Templar! Unleash your fury!
Void energy levels dropping. Amon's host has been destroyed.
Ready the keystone, Karax. Our final stand approaches.